If you need a reliable, easy-to-install, field-programmable flow measurement solution, or if you need to keep tabs on thermal energy as well as flow velocity, the Dwyer Series IEF Insertion electromagnetic flow transmitter and the Series IEFB thermal energy meter are both in stock and ready for fast delivery. The Series IEF and IEFB offer quick and easy installation, as well as low maintenance and long product life with no moving parts thanks to electromagnetic technology that accurately and reliably measures conductive fluid velocity. With their highly flexible design, the IEF and IEFB are adjustable to fit pipe sizes from 4 to 36 inches, and they're field programmable, so if your application parameters change over time, the IEF and IEFB can be configured on the fly to keep up with your changing specs. And with available isolation valve accessory options, both units allow for installation in live pressurized systems using the optional hot tap kit, so you don't have to shut down and drain systems during an install. These units are well suited for applications such as boiler feed water, chilled water, open and closed loop condenser water, irrigation systems, process and coolant flow, groundwater remediation, chemical processing, pump protection, wastewater and mining, and that's just to name a few. And best of all, they're both in stock and ready to ship for fast turnaround. So don't wait around for a flow transmitter that could take months to arrive, only to find that it will take even longer to install. Visit DwyerOmega.com to find out more about the Series IEF Insertion magnetic flow transmitter, as well as the IEFB Insertion thermal energy meter.